Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Adobe Photoshop Express on PC or laptop. The first thing we will do is open the Windows Store. There, search for Adobe Photoshop and click on Adobe Photoshop Express. Click on the Get button. You must wait for this application to be downloaded and installed on your computer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see that it has been installed. Click Open. Click Next to see the guided tour, and then you can access Adobe Photoshop Express using one of the available options. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.